Well, the Microsoft Suite comes with a pretty cool tool most people do not know about, and something I didn't even know about until recently, and that is the ability to use dictation. And we're going to talk about this for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I'm Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support, and I appreciate you hanging out with me for this one. Well, dictation is whenever you use the ability to talk into text inside of a document. So you're just authoring by speaking rather than having to type everything. Maybe very convenient or easy if you're taking notes or if you're trying to multitask. It just makes life much easier sometimes. And it's a very simple and easy thing to do. Inside of Microsoft, it can be used on a couple different options. It can be used in PowerPoint, it can be used in Word, it can be used in Outlook, and also inside of OneNote. And it's very simple. All you do is open up the program you're going to be using inside of the home screen. And when you're on the home screen, up in the right-hand corner, there's going to be a sign that says Dictate. Click that. It looks like this. And then when you click it, it's going to give you a record tone and a little red dot to let you know that it's recording. And all you're going to do at that point is just simply talk. Now, punctuation is the only thing you need to add to that whenever you speak. So whether that's open, whenever you're starting a quote, so open parentheses or close parentheses, whenever you need to say, hey, period, because you're ending a sentence, or comma, whatever you need to add inside of that, you want to verbalize. But that, just go ahead and speak, and it's going to take those words and throw them into text on the screen. Now, another very cool thing about this is it provides language options. Right here, different language options you can see that Microsoft has built in and provided, and allows you just, once again, just to be able to talk and author your document by the power of your voice rather than having to sit and type every word out of keyboard. So I hope that helps you out, or if you need any other IT question or stuck in any other IT problem or pickle as a business owner, feel free to reach out to us. We're Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we do. You can always find us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Thanks for hanging out with me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much.